Okay, I think sometimes we forget how important a facial is. We've gotten so good about getting our Botox as soon as we see a wrinkle. We're so good about getting filler as soon as we see our face falling. But what about the integrity of your skin, the shine, the beauty of the skin? Well, let me tell you, Kimberly is doing the DMK Facial, which is not just any ordinary facial. It has 3 masks that literally help to bring the blood flow to your skin and create collagen production and healing and youthfulness like nothing I've ever seen before. This was such an incredible facial. This is a series of 4 to get your skin looking and feeling amazing. It's gonna help tighten my neck, which we've been working on, lift up the skin, make the skin shiny and beautiful. And I am so impressed with even just one facial, one DMK facial, my skin looks amazing. So come on in, get your series of 4. And when you mention Jules, you receive her signature facial with dermaplaning for free. What are you waiting for? Get your skin on point for the holidays now.